For tomorrow morning, we're just fine, but we have 2 rounds of shower and thunderstorm activity on the way for tomorrow. The first one arrives midday. After 10 a.m., notice those temperatures rising, but after 10 a.m., closer to around noontime and for the early afternoon, that is round 1 of showers and thunderstorms, with the possibility of heavy rain, frequent lightning, even damaging wind or hail. Round 1 starts to leave just before 4 o'clock in the afternoon in time for the afternoon commute. So the afternoon commute on your Wednesday is fine. But then round 2 is on the way with a cold front that approaches as we get into Wednesday night and into Thursday morning, starting at 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow night and through the midnight hour with another round of heavy storms possible. So these are the things that are on the scale in terms of hazards. They include damaging winds, including wind gusts up to around 50 miles per hour, even if it's not raining. The possibility of some small hail, which can still do some damage. With that heavy rain coming in 2 bursts, flooding is possible, including localized flooding with ponding on roadways. Some basements may be vulnerable, and lightning will be frequent. I did put tornadoes out here. It's not a certainty, not doing it to scare you, again, only to prepare you. They just simply cannot be ruled out. So keep it tuned right here to Local 4. In fact, download the Local Forecasters app. It helps you track the severe weather as well. Should it arise, just go to your favorite app store, search WDIV, and download that Local Forecasters app. But we have pleasant weather right now. 64 in Pontiac, 64 over in Ann Arbor, 60s all around with mostly sunny skies. Notice what happens as we go over the next 24 hours. Those clouds increase later tonight. After 9, 10 o'clock, or when you join us at 11, there might be a scattered shower or 2 or sprinkle, but the main event starts to appear after tomorrow morning's commute at around 10, 11 in the morning and shortly afterward. So through the lunch hour, there's round 1 of those heavy storms that are possible. Round 2 then sets up again from Wednesday night into Thursday with a marginal to slight risk of those storms becoming strong to severe. Not a guarantee, but something to be alert for as we go from Wednesday into Thursday. So here's a summary of your forecast. Once again, relatively calm as we go through this evening and tonight. Overnight lows only around 50 degrees, and that's shortly after midnight. With warmer air moving in here, we'll see our temperatures rise to the middle and even upper 50s by dawn tomorrow. 69 degrees at noontime with round 1 of shower and thunderstorm activity. 4 p.m. highs around 70 degrees or just a bit more. Round 2 of stormy weather arrives Wednesday night and for Thursday morning. Thursday it will still be windy with a high only of 61. Then things really settle down just in time for Passover and Good Friday and Easter weekend with highs in the 50s.